For over 3 decades, Print Panache has been delivering premium labels and packaging solutions with precision, innovation, and excellence. Today, the journey moves one step ahead. To strengthen its high-end label finishing capabilities, Print Panache has partnered with Packnology for the installation of the advanced Haotian HGP 330 digital embellishment system and the PRDC 330 digital die cutting machine. Engineered for premium varnishing, cold foil, and high precision finishing, these technologies are designed to redefine digital embellishment and short-run production efficiency. With cutting-edge automation, unmatched precision, and exceptional output quality, Print Panache is now equipped to create labels that stand out on every shelf. This investment reflects Print Panache's commitment to innovation, quality, and delivering world-class packaging solutions to leading brands across industries. Packnology powers Print Panache with digital solutions. The future of premium label embellishment and finishing is here.